how to add VOICEFLOW Chatbot to FRAMER. So first, go to your account in VOICEFLOW and then open up one of your agents. Okay, now from here, just click on the integrations tab here, and then you can just copy this installation code here. Okay, now from here, just go to FRAMER and then open up one of your projects. Okay, now from here, just need to click on the white here, and then click on insert here at the top left, and then type in embed, and then click on embed here. Okay, now just drag this embed that you just inserted here. Okay, now once it's here, you just need to click on it and then scroll down here, and you can see the embed option here, and click on HTML, and then you can just paste the link or the code here that you copied earlier, paste it here, and then click on anywhere here. Now your bot or agent here will appear here. So in order for you to preview it, if it works, just click on this play icon here. As you can see, just click on your agent, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.